So, quickly, I just want to give a huge thank you to Jennifer at Risk Racing. I got one of these a while ago, about a month ago, whatever it was. And if you don't know what it is, it's a little work light. Let's see if I can do this. I'm not left-handed. But I got one of these a while ago, and who knows, it has a battery. Maybe it's defective. And even with like a full charge, it would last, I don't know, like 2 minutes. Look at that. Oh god, don't look at it. It's really bright. But it's a Striker mobile task light. 1200 lumens, dual position. If you slide this thing down, it goes from like wide to centralized. And it just charges with USB, has a little hanger. It's super cool. Anyways, the battery on the one I bought barely worked. So I messaged their customer service, which was bueno, muy bueno. Can't get this thing back in now. But I just got it back today. I literally, I don't know, 3 days ago, sent them an email, and she was like, yep, what's your address? We'll send you one right out. Bam, here it is. Super cool of them. Super, super cool. If you're looking for something that's like really easy, I mean, literally charge it off a USB, which everyone has a USB charger because, duh. For a super bright light that doesn't weigh anything, it's small, easy to move around, easy to carry, put in places you can hang it on, obviously a hook or whatever, or you can put it on a tripod because it even has a screw in. They are super, super, super dope things. So I'm gonna put the link to Risk Racing, but if I can find a website for Striker 2, I'm gonna put the link for that below. Just again, huge thanks. I will, if you haven't seen it, load. It's aluminum head, adjustable lens, rechargeable, super easy, perfect for any task, mechanics, camping, DIY, and more. It's super nice. So if you're looking for like a little work light and you don't want something huge or something that's super heavy or needs batteries or whatever, look into one of these. Again, in the description below, I'll put the link. Thank you again to Jennifer at Risk Racing. She was awesome. Customer service, A+. And yeah,